Pastry Project was kind of a lifesaver for me. They picked me out of I don't know how many people. I didn't think I had a shot. And they gave me a shot. My husband and I married now for 11 years. Lived in Arizona and we wanted to go to Alaska. So I quit my job and we sold our business and we started on the road, and just one thing led to another, and we ended up losing all our money and homeless and on the streets. Started meeting the wrong people, got into some trouble and arrested. I got released out of the prison and my husband's still there. Got help with the Elizabeth Gregory home. Put me in their transitional housing, let me stay there rent-free for, 3 months before I got a job, and then introduced me to the Pastry Project. When I was little, I used to help my mom cook. And then as I got older, my grandfather, he just would go in the kitchen and in the pantry just pull stuff out and be like, "What are you gonna make? There's nothing to make." And he'd go, "Just wait, you'll see." And that's where my passion came from, just wanting to be like my grandfather. The program, they teach you the basics of the kitchen for people that can't afford to go to the culinary schools. How to make breads, like what to look for when you're kneading it, how to make the perfect pie, the perfect macarons, and they just help you do basic stuff. It's a lot in 14 weeks, but it's rewarding at the end. Much or as little on it as you want. I like a lot because I like salt. At graduation, they helped me to do my resume, work on an interview, and apply to jobs. One of the jobs that I applied to was at Macrina Bakery, and I thought I didn't even have a shot, because most places do background checks, and when they see my background, they're like, "Oh no," I told them a little bit of my story, and they hired me knowing my background and willing to work with me on my background and my legal issues. I've been there now, 5 months. Since working there, I've been able to get an apartment. Probation is helping me to get my driver's license. Without the Pastry Project, I wouldn't be at the job where I'm at right now. And without Macrina, I wouldn't be where I'm at, I would highly recommend it to anybody that can't afford to take a real culinary class, I guess. Apply for it. You never know if you're gonna get it or not. Everybody has a chance. You just have to take that chance.